This trick saved me a half hour of hassle. 1. The drive belt is too tight to fit. Fold a rope and loop it through the belt, then over the pulley. Pull the rope tight and you'll easily fit the belt. 2. With just a magnet, you can pull a bolt into a pipe. If you're in a tight spot and can't screw it in, try this method. 3. Slide 2 nuts onto the steel cable. Then loop the rope around the anchor and thread it through the 2 nuts. Finally, thread the rope back through the first nut. This way, the main rope will tighten more as you pull. 4. When your drill bit is slipping, use pliers to grip the washer. This will stop the slipping and allow for precise drilling. 5. Insert the Allen wrench into your power drill. Tighten the chuck to secure it. Press it down onto the ground, applying pressure. Turn on the drill and you can easily remove the chuck. 6. Can't open a beer bottle? Use a lighter to evenly heat the edge of the cap. Then wrap a paper towel around it, twist a few times, and it'll pop open easily. 7. How to deal with a protruding nail. First, bend it with a wrench. Then, use a screwdriver to hold the nail head and hammer it down. Drive it into the wood and you won't risk scratching anything. 8. Don't have the right connector for your faucet? Grab a piece of plastic tubing. Heat up the metal pipe and quickly twist the plastic tube onto it. After it cools, you'll have male threads. Wrap some plumber's tape on both ends and screw the connector into the plastic tube. Now it's a perfect fit.